Hello, in this video we're gonna check if there's a stereo speakers on Motorola Moto G60. To do this, first we'll need to find all of the speakers on this device. First one being on the bottom right here, another one is located on top of the screen right there. Now to determine if they are stereo speakers, we'll need to play some music, cover each of the speakers with our fingers. If the sound is coming from both of the sources, that's a stereo speaker. If not, that means this device doesn't have them. Now let's try it out. So clearly sound is coming only from a bottom speaker, which confirms that this device doesn't have these stereo speakers. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.